Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a pleasure to have you here. In this video, I'm going to be sharing a very simple but healthy banana pancake recipe, okay? So there I have some bananas that I've diced. You realize that they're a bit smaller than you may be used to because I use the typical Ghanaian bananas and they are quite smaller. And I'm going to add just one egg, but guys, the egg is optional. And then I'm also going to add 1 cup of evaporated milk, which I've diluted with water. I'm also going to be adding 3 tablespoons of melted margarine, 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar, and then half a teaspoon of salt. I'm also going to add some drops of vanilla essence in there to give it the right smell because it gives it that bakery smell and I love it. So just combine everything together and then I'm going to transfer this to a blender. But guys, if you're doing it at home, you can actually put everything into the blender to go and then just blend it up. But I just wanted it to be a bit visible, you know what I was doing. That's why I did it in a large bowl before transferring it to the blender. I'm going to pour it back into the bowl. And then I am going to add 1 tablespoon of baking powder, just like that. That's 1 cup of pastry flour, and then I'm going to sift that into the blended ingredient. It's always best to sift your flour, guys, so that you don't get lumps when you are incorporating it into your wet ingredient. So I'm mixing everything up until I get a thick, smooth consistency. And I'm going to transfer everything into a bottle. I like using the bottle method because I realize that it's easier to control the amount of mixture that I pour into the pan at a time. Yeah. So my bottle has a little hole right there. You realize that it's so much easier this way. Guys, I'm not going to fry this, I'm going to bake it, okay? So there's no oil in my pan and I'm just going to go directly in there. So there's no oil, so we are not frying this, more like we are baking it. Yes, so we are going to bake this, and that is why it is so healthy. I mean, my mom can't get enough of this because it is so healthy. It has less cholesterol, and then it has bananas, guys. It has all the potassium and the iron and all that. I mean, bananas are healthy, but they have a lot of calories, so don't eat too much, yeah? Okay, so I'm just going to set it there for a few minutes until the bubbles appear, and then I'm going to flip. So yes, that side is baked, and then that's just it, guys. That's banana pancake for you. Simple recipe, try it. I know you love it. Prayer is a door opener, but praise will cause the walls of Jericho to come crumbling down. Whenever and wherever praises are offered up to God, He comes down in the fullness of His glory with majesty and power to cause a great change. At about midnight, Paul and Silas were praying and singing hymns to God, and suddenly there was such a great earthquake that the foundations of the prisons were shaken, and all the prison doors flew open and their chains fell off. Acts 16:25-26. The Holy Spirit moves in an atmosphere of praise. In order to witness the miraculous in life, you must understand how God works. Offer God an atmosphere of praise, and He will not deny you His presence. May the good Lord bless you guys. I love you. And to each one of you who are subscribed, and to anyone here who has been watching my videos, thank you so much. You're actually making my dreams come true, guys. I've been wanting to do this forever, and I'm grateful to you. God bless you.